Tornado warning! First alert, WX-167.
High wind warning in effect from noon Monday to 3 a.m. Tuesday. Areas of west winds 15 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 60 miles per hour expected. In the Coachella Valley. From noon Monday to 3 a.m. Tuesday. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Winds will be quite variable over short distances with calm or even easterly winds adjacent to locations receiving strong west winds. Strongest winds will be north of Interstate 10. Use caution if you must drive. Secure loose objects.